Hello students of standard 3rd. Welcome to DAV Mall Public School online session of social science. Student, this is the last session of conquering distance. So, learn more things in this lesson. Let's see this picture. These pictures of traffic signal. Students, you know about the traffic signal? Yes, this is the very important things for road manners. Students, traffic rules help us to protect you on the road as well as everyone else driving on the same road. People should know about the basic traffic sign and rules that should be followed while driving any vehicle on road. So, we should learn the traffic rules and sign. So, green colors represent to go, yellow color to represent wait, and red colors to represent stop. So, we follow these all the road manners. Student, let's see this picture. You know very well this is a bad manners. Never throw waste material on the road. You know this is the bad impact on the environment. Yes, carelessly throwing garbage along a side of road, on the street, in water bodies can lead to toxic material or chemicals to be washed into rivers, ocean, lakes, creek, forests, etc. These all things are the damaging our environment. Students, we know we all are suffering many diseases and viruses. If we want to stop all these things, we should follow these manners. Let's see this picture. Students, this is a very dangerous picture nowadays. This is a bad road manners. You know, while traveling, use the mobile phone. It is very dangerous for the safety. Part of this reason, talking on a cell phone while driving is so dangerous because our brain are physically incapable of giving 100% of our attention to more than one task. This means when you are driving and talking on this phone, you are splitting your attention between at least two activities, means driving and talking. So it is dangerous for everyone. So, while traveling or driving, never use the mobile phones. Students, look at this picture. Yes, this is the right way of crossing the road. Students, whenever we are crossing the road, that time we use the zebra crossing. What is the zebra crossing? This is a white and black strip marked on the road. When signal indicate using the zebra crossing, that time all traffic for within a minute stop and people use the zebra crossing for while and crossing the road. This is the good road manner. These all are the road manners we use for our safety. So, students, everyone use these. Thank you and have a nice day.